understanding tree trunk and tree grip line on site plans. When you open a project or create a new project, you're presented with recognized objects on the ground. The default is property line, the 5-foot setback, and the building that is recognized. Many other objects can be recognized on the ground through the artificial intelligence. These are the layers that you can click on. In this lesson, we're going to talk about tree line and tree trunk. Once I recognize it, once I turn it on, you will notice that the tree drip lines are identified. This is an important part of the site plan design for shade, sun, and also where you can put objects. Also, through artificial intelligence, we can turn on the tree trunk. You notice that only one tree trunk has been recognized in this scenario. The reason for it is, in this case, this one here. One is within the property line, been recognized. Some of these are probably shrubs, so it doesn't qualify as a tree. And the bigger one on the side is outside the property line, so the tree trunk is not shown. One of the unique features to be used on the tree trunk is that once you start to select it, you can select or label what kind of tree it is. We can call this an oak. Select from the list what it might be. This list is going to be expanded on. Identify its height. Let's say this is 20 feet high. I didn't tell you diameter. And in this case, what you can do is you can simply go in and say, in most of the places, you would want a no digging zone around the tree trunk to make sure its root systems are not damaged. So let's say this is going to be 4 feet. No digging, save it. You notice that there was an area drawn out here. To see that further, you notice that if you go in, turn on the tree drip line, you notice that there is now a section around it. This is what you use for a tree trunk recognition and tree drip line recognition.